Hey guys, today I'm making octopus volleyball. Some of you have had it. Maybe you've had the really chewy one. Yeah, that's not how this is gonna come out. This is gonna come out delicious. But if you've never had it, you need to taste this. It is the most delicious. Oh my gosh, we fight over it. And this is how I prepare it. But if you have a recipe, I'd love to hear how you make it. This is something that is just, it takes a little bit of time, but it's so worth it. It really is. So, first thing, you boil water and you have to drop in a wine cork in the boiling water. So this has been boiling and it's nice and hot. Don't ask me why, but apparently the wine cork tenderizes the octopus, but it works. It works. So whatever, I do it. Now I have 4.5 pounds of octopus. So they're two smaller ones. Well, not that small. I mean, they're kind of, they're a nice size. So here they are. Here it is. Ah. Oh my gosh, so cool. So cool. Look at the size of this. Oh my gosh. Can you imagine swimming and running into one of these? Ooh. But anyway, so, and this is the step. You drop it in the water 7 times. You dunk it in 7 times. So here we go. 1. Until the tentacles start curling up. You see it? I think you can. 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And then you know what? You drop it. Yeah. So I have another one which I'm going to do in a little while. But anyway, you drop it, you cook it in there for 20 minutes per pound. So this is going to cook for, they're 1.5 pounds each. So it'll cook for, 20, 40, a little over an hour. About an hour actually, about an hour. Just to make sure. Yeah, 40, like, actually no, hold on, 20, because it's 1.5 pounds. One is a little bit bigger than the other. So about 45 minutes. Once it cooks, you turn off the heat and you let it sit for another 45 minutes or whatever the time that you've cooked it for. And it doesn't end there. Then I take it and I put it on the grill. Once it's grilled, I add in a little lemon, olive oil, some pepper, and cilantro or parsley, whichever one I have. I don't know which one I have yet. And can I tell you, it hits the table and it's like a race. My husband and I and my oldest son love it. So it's gone. I mean, it takes hours and hours to prepare, but it's gone in just minutes. It's so delicious. So yeah, try it out. And if you have any recipes on how you make it, I want to know. I want to know. Drop a comment. And yeah, bon appetit to us tonight. Thanks for watching.